Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to get 2 or more Instagram icon on your device. So first thing first, open your browser, click right here, then go to Google search, and in the Google search typing Instagram and go search right here. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the link. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Click on that, then cancel. After that, just click on that button right here. Then scroll down a little bit until you find that option right here at home screen. So click on that, then choose name and click add. So you can put Instagram and space and 2 or 3 or 4, and now it will be on your home screen. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.